Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Please stay at home because it's good for you and it's also good for others. This lecture is being given to you by Trends High School and I'm the teacher of 8th class. Today we'll read about science. फर्स्ट चैप्टर ह्यूमन ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स हम रिवाइज कर रहे थे. सारे टॉपिक्स तकरीबन हम रिवाइज कर चुके हैं. आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज को रिवाइज करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1.2 राइट नेम्स ऑफ द मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. 4 ऑप्शंस आपके पास दिए गए हैं. इन चारों के मेन पार्ट्स के नेम लिखने हमने. फर्स्ट वन इज़ फोर ब्रेन. फोर ब्रेन के कितने मेन पार्ट्स हैं देख लेते हैं. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 मेन पार्ट्स: cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Next, hindbrain. It also consists of 3 main parts: cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Next, neuron. It consists of 3 main parts: cell body, dendrites and axon. And the fourth one is nephron. It consists of 2 main parts: renal corpuscles and renal tubule. Next question, write the functions of the following. यहाँ भी 4 options हैं: forebrain, hindbrain, neuron and nephron. इन चारों के functions बताने हैं. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It consists of 3 main parts that are cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. It is divided into right and left cerebral hemispheres. Cerebrum controls many actions like thinking, feeling, emotions, seeing, hearing, perceptions, memories, speech, decision making, etc. Inside cerebrum there is a small structure called thalamus. It controls many sensory functions. Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. It controls body temperature, hunger and thirst. Next one, hindbrain. Hindbrain consists of 3 main parts that are cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum lies under the back part of the cerebrum. It acts as a controller for maintaining the body balance and making precise and accurate movement. Pons is an oval structure present beneath midbrain. It controls many functions like sleep, swallowing, equilibrium and taste, etc. Medulla oblongata forms the posterior part of the brain where it is connected with the spinal cord. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, breathing and digestion, etc. Medulla oblongata keeps on working when rest of the brain goes to sleep. Next, neuron. Neuron or nerve cell is a basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system. All parts of the nervous system that are brain, spinal cord and nerves are made up of neurons. Neurons transmit messages in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulses. The part of a neuron which contains nucleus and most of the cytoplasm is called cell body. The fine projection of the cell body which receive messages are called dendrites. A long projection of the cell body which conducts messages away from the cell body is called axon. Terminal ends of the axons transmit the messages to the next cell. Last one, nephron. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidney. They are the tubules where urine is formed. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Each nephron has 2 parts that are renal corpuscles and renal tubule. Renal corpuscles, it is the first part of nephron. It consists of 2 structures that are glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus is a tuft of blood capillaries formed by the division and subdivision of small arteries and veins. Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped structure enclosing glomerulus. Renal tubule. This part of nephron starts after Bowman's capsule. The first coiled part of renal tubule is called proximal tubule. The next part is U-shaped and is called lobe of Henle. The last part of the renal tubule is again coiled and is called distal tubule. The distal tubule of many nephrons open in a collecting duct. Many collecting ducts join and drain into renal pelvis. यहाँ सेकंड क्वेश्चन यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.3 हमारा हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव शॉर्ट आंसर्स. फर्स्ट, गिव एट लीस्ट 3 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ वॉलेंट्री एक्शंस. सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी साथ ही देख लेते हैं. गिव एट लीस्ट 3 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शंस. वॉलेंट्री एक्शंस एंड इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शंस की 3 एग्जाम्पल्स देनी है. आंसर की तरफ आते हैं. वॉलेंट्री एक्शंस की एग्जाम्पल्स: स्पीकिंग, ईटिंग, रीडिंग, वॉकिंग, रनिंग, क्लैपिंग एक्सेट्रा आर वॉलेंट्री एक्शंस. नेक्स्ट, heartbeat, breathing, blinking of eyes, movement of small intestine, etc. are the example of involuntary actions. Question number 3. Define sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons carry nerve impulses from sense organs, ears, eyes, skin, tongue, nose, etc. to the central nervous system. Motor neurons carry nerve impulses from central nervous system to effectors, muscles and glands that are the parts which respond. Interneurons are present in central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. They form a link between sensory and motor neurons. Last question, skin is also considered as excretory organ. Why? And the answer is, skin is also considered as excretory organ because some extra salts are also removed through skin during perspiration. 1.5 पे जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन है. मतलब कि 2 ऑप्शंस आपके पास दिए गए, उन 2 में आपने डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है कि इनमें कौन सी चीज़ आपस में मुख्तलिफ है या इनमें कौन सा चेंज है. पहले हैं रिसेप्टर्स एंड अफेक्टर्स. Receptors, this special organ tissue which detect any change in environment is called receptors. And effectors क्या होते हैं? The parts respond after receiving nerve impulses through motor neuron is called effectors. Second, neuron and nerve. अब न्यूरॉन क्या होते हैं? Neurons are nerve cells, is the basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system. All parts of the nervous system are made up of neurons. It is nerve. It is an enclosed cable-like bundle of axons present side by side in a common sheath. Nerve conveys message carried by the individual neurons from one body part to another. Next, voluntary actions and involuntary actions means शौर्य अफ़आल और गैर शौर्य अफ़आल, इन दोनों को डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है. Voluntary actions, the body actions which are performed under conscious control. These actions are done after thinking, that are speaking, eating, reading, walking, running, etc. मतलब जिन कामों को हम सोचे समझने के बाद करते हैं वो voluntary actions कहलाते हैं. And involuntary actions, the body actions which are performed without thinking over them are called involuntary actions, that are heartbeat, blood circulation, blinking of eyes, etc. वो अफ़आल जिन्हें हम बग़ैर सोचे समझे सर अंजाम देते हैं वो इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शंस कहलाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, किडनीज़ एंड लंग्स. इन दोनों का डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है, डिफरेंस बताना है इनका. किडनी, ह्यूमन बॉडी हैज़ 2 डार्क ब्राउन bean shaped kidneys in the abdominal region. The main function is removing waste material from the body in the form of urine. And lungs are present in the thorax cavity in pair form. Lungs make oxygenated blood and remove carbon dioxide from the blood. नेक्स्ट वन, लिथोट्रिप्सी एंड डायलिसिस. ये दोनों जैसा कि इलाज हैं अगर गुर्दे में पथरी हो जाए तो, गुर्दे में स्टोन्स हो जाए तो पढ़ते हैं, इनको भी डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं इनका. लिथोट्रिप्सी, इट इज़ द bombardment of shock waves on the stones from outside. Shock waves break the stones into small pieces which are passed out of the body in the form of urine. And dialysis, cleaning of blood by artificial method is called dialysis. It is done by a dialyzer. ये हमारा था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.5 जिससे अभी हमने रिवाइज किया. नेक्स्ट है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.6. ये क्वेश्चन पिछले लेक्चर्स में मैं आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझा चुकी हूँ. आज इसको फिर एक दफ़ा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. Explain the central nervous system. Central nervous system acts as a control center of the whole nervous system. It comprises brain and spinal cord. अब central nervous system क्या क्या होता है? Brain and spinal cord. सबसे पहले brain को define करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे इसको, और साथ में फिर हम spinal cord पढ़ेंगे. Brain. Human brain is enclosed in a bony skull called cranium and consists of billions of interneurons. It is divided into the following parts. अब कौन से parts हैं उसके? Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It consists of three main parts. इसके भी आगे से अब 3 parts हैं, that are cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. It is divided into right and left cerebral hemispheres. Cerebrum controls many actions like thinking, feeling, emotions, seeing, hearing, perceptions, memory, speech, decision making, etc. Inside cerebrum there is a small structure called thalamus. It controls many sensory functions. Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. It controls body temperature, hunger and thirst. Next one, midbrain. Midbrain is a small part of the brain which is present below the cerebrum. It receives information from sense organs which is then passed on appropriate part of the forebrain. अब ब्रेन का जो थर्ड पार्ट है वो है हाइंड ब्रेन. हाइंड ब्रेन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. अब हाइंड ब्रेन के भी 3 पार्ट्स हैं जैसे कि फोर ब्रेन के 3 पार्ट्स थे, दैट आर cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum lies under the back part of the cerebrum. It acts as a controller for maintaining the body balance and making precise and accurate movement. Pons is an oval structure present beneath midbrain. It controls many functions like sleep, swallowing, equilibrium and taste, etc. And the last part of midbrain is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata form the posterior part of the brain where it is connected with the spinal cord. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, breathing and digestion, etc. Medulla oblongata keeps on working when rest of the brain goes to sleep. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में ब्रेन का हमने पढ़ लिया सारा, उसको हमने एक दफ़ा रिवाइज़ किया है, इसमें कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं. अब यहाँ पे हम एक दफ़ा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का ही जो हमारा सेकंड पार्ट आ जाता है वो है स्पाइनल कोड, उसको भी एक दफ़ा पढ़ लेते हैं. स्पाइनल कोड इज़ एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ मेडुला ऑब्लिंगेटा. इट रन्स बैकवर्ड इनसाइड द बैकबोन अप to its lower end. It is also made up of interneurons. Spinal cord creates a link between brain and different body parts. It also controls some reflex action, immediate and involuntary actions, and some other involuntary actions. And the next question जो हमने रिवाइज करना है, that is describe peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consist of a network of nerves which are spread in the body to connect all the body parts to the central nervous system, जो कि हैं brain and spinal cord. The nerves which arise from brain are called cranial nerves. The nerve which arise from spinal cord are called spinal nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerve in human body.